Sit in the lobby, show me something, keep it sauce and tell nobody in your city, smoke exotics. Spin it slow.
Hey Rosettes, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I know you're like, girl, why are you on the floor? So today I'm going to go over what I eat in a day on keto and some mini workouts that I've been doing to, you know, help target certain areas of my body that I want to lose weight or either tone up. So that is what we're going to do today. Without further ado, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, turn notifications on, and make sure you click that you want all notifications so you never miss an upload. When I upload, I'm gonna try to upload, I think everybody voted on Wednesdays and Fridays, but I think I'm gonna start doing Mondays and Fridays. So make sure you look out for that. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. That's Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. And that is at Yunnierose. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Make sure you look out for the little pop-up during this video so you can vote on the next video. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so normally when I wake up, I get on my phone and I go to the 30-day fitness challenge. This is an app, and it basically is going to create a specific plan to yourself. So you can go to your profile once you download the app. I will leave a link down below for you to download it. So what you do is once you get the app, you go to like my fitness plan. So you kind of put in your goal. Everybody's goal is different. You can either put in that you want weight loss, or you want to be more active, or you want to gain muscle. For me, I want to lose weight, and with my schedule, I've been pretty busy because we are moving. So I just put that I want to exercise 3 times a week, and I want the exercise to be 15 minutes. So your plan is going to be highlighted. It's going to highlight the days in which you are to work out, which is really good because it kind of keeps you determined and it kind of keeps you on track. So what you can do is you can either go to library, you can go to workouts, and you could pick some workouts that burn how many calories you want to burn, or you can go to exercises and choose from there. What I like to do, y'all, a plane is coming. Alrighty, so one of my problem areas is my midsection. So today we're going to do the flat belly. So I'm actually going to start this challenge today, and I want you guys to download the app down below, and I want you guys to start it with me so that way we can help each other and like work out with each other. So I'm going to go to the challenges, and I'm going to go to flat belly. So I'm going to just start day 1. So this will be my day 1 because I normally just do the exercises that are given, or I pick out some. So what I like about this is it gives you videos which are bomb. So I'm gonna skip the warm-up for today just so I can show you guys like how it works. So it's gonna tell you which exercise you need to do, and it's actually gonna show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the child's pose.
3, 2, 1, complete.
So it's gonna tell you when it's complete, and you're also gonna get rest sections. So it's almost like HIIT. If you never heard of that, it's high intensity interval training. So it's kind of like you're at a slow speed, but you're boosting up your heart rate, which I love. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the next one.
12 repetitions.
So we're gonna do 12 sit-ups. So like I said, after each workout you do have a rest for like 45 seconds. So you just want to complete this. It's a lot of them, but it's going to complete whatever time. So if you did 10, 15, 20, or 30 minutes, it's just going to keep going until your time is up. So that is pretty much what I do. I'm not going to show you all the workouts, but
15 seconds.
I'm not going to show you all the workouts, but you know, y'all get the gist. So this is what I do. I try to do 3 times a week in the morning, and I do it in the morning before I eat because very important, if you work out before you eat, or if you work out on an empty stomach, you're gonna be burning more fat and less carbs. Tip number 1, sis. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into what I eat, and yeah, come along. Alrighty dolls, so we're gonna go ahead and get into what I eat a day. So I do use an app called Keto Diet. So this just helps me keep up with my macros. If you don't know what your macros are, it's basically a combination of your protein, fat, and carbs, and it just gives you the percentage of those items with your daily calories. So of course, to lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit. I try to stay below 1,500. And some people may say that's a lot, but compared to what I was eating, that is a deficit for me. And I need the more fat I have, you know, the more I'm going to be in ketosis. If you want me to do a video like explaining exactly what ketosis is in the keto diet, then let me know in the comment section down below. So I always plan my meals a day in advance. So last night I kind of just dibbled and dabbed on like what seasonings, what type of oils, what type of food I wanted to eat until it equaled up to 80% fat, 17% calories, 17% protein, and 4% carbs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make each meal. I am also doing intermittent fasting, so I fast for 20 hours of the day and I eat for 4. So I only eat 2 meals a day. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our first meal. So our first meal will be a cup of guacamole, 2 cups of spinach, 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 3 eggs, and bacon and MCT oil. And then for lunch, I'm going to have 2 cups of cabbage, like 6 little slices of smoked sausage, and that's what I'll have for dinner. So before I do anything, before I like start on my meal, I make a little drinky drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my water out the fridge. All right, so you're gonna need a water bottle. I don't know where this water bottle is from. Travis bought it. So what I like to do is go in with a half of lemon. So I'm gonna take a half a lemon. So I'm gonna slice this lemon into 3 slices. So before I do that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with the mother. You can use measuring cups if you want to, but I just use a tablespoon. So like I said, you want 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. And I just like to eye it, so I'll just put some in there. And then what I do is just squeeze my lemons in there, and I add it in there. And then I just take any old water and pour it in there. So make sure you leave some room for your filter if you do have a filter. So to sweeten it up, to make it taste like spicy lemonade, I go in with these stevia clear drops, and I do 10 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's just gonna add a little bit of sweetness to the drink. And then you want to put your filter on and shake it up. So this is my special drink. This is what I drink before. This is the first thing I drink in the morning. So we're gonna put this to the side and start on our first meal. So I'm going to have 3 eggs. And I do use fresh farm eggs. So I'm pretty much gonna make an omelet. I'm gonna do some pepper and then a little bit of sea salt. You can use the like pink Himalayan salt, but I don't have that. So like I said, I'm going to have 2 things of cheese. So I'm just gonna like break pieces off and put it in this egg mixture. Let's just
what I like to do. So I like to use the Oscar Mayer naturally hardwood smoked bacon. Turn on our stove. Oh look, I only have 4 pieces left. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in like such. Alright, so now that the bacon is done, I'm going to do my spinach. So what I'm going to do is, all I did is pour out the bacon grease. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just going to start sizzling. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon, well actually like a half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Like 2 handfuls. So like when it's like almost done, I spread it out in the pan. So I do like this. And then we're gonna pour our egg mixture over it. Just get it in there. And I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of pure MCT oil. So it looks like this. This is the brand Now Sports. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon and kind of drizzle it in there. You want to loosen up the edges. And we're going to give it a good flip. We're just like sliding apart, but all right, so this is our first meal. So we got our spinach omelet, we got our 4 pieces of bacon, and then our guacamole, which I'm just gonna like tear off and just pour on the side here. All right, so this is my first meal of the day. Yummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, finish my water, and I'm gonna come back when it's dinner time. All right, y'all, so now it's lunchtime. It's like an hour has passed. So I'm gonna be cooking some like cabbage. So I got a head of cabbage. I have some smoked sausage from Yorkshire. So we're gonna season the cabbage with salt, pepper, and red chili flakes, and a little cayenne. And then I'm going to like have on the side 10 olives. This is going to help me get some fat in. And I need to get my butter. So I'm going to just use this. This is probably about 2 ounces. So I'm just going to make them really small. I normally cut them bigger than this, but I'm just going to cut them really thin as I can get them. Yeah, so I'm going to have 10 little pieces, and then I'm going to wash my cabbage and chop it up until I have about 2 cups, and I equate 2 cups as 2 handsfuls, so that's what I'm about to do. These sausages, make sure they're like crispy or however you like them. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. So now I'm going to turn the pan down. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure you turn your pan down. So now we're going to add our cabbage right in there. So we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add some pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of red pepper flakes, just for a little spice, a little bit of cayenne. I'm going to stir that in. I'm just adding a half a cup of water. So I'm going to put my sausage back in. I want all that flavor to soak up. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. stir that in. And we're gonna turn this on low heat and let it cook. Let it like simmer for about 10 minutes. That's when the cabbage will start getting like really soft and tender. That's how you want it. That's how you know when it's ready. Alright, so after 10 minutes, it should look like this. It's just real juicy and succulent. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my bowl. Get it all out in my bowl. Oh, and I also added 10 drops of the stevia because I normally put sugar in my cabbage, but I just put that in for some sweetness. And I'm going to add 10 of these olives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to mix it up. So there you have it, cabbage, sausage, and olives. So this will be my dinner, and this is my last meal. So I hope you dolls enjoyed. Make sure you dolls download the 30-day fitness challenge app. I will leave everything you need to know down in the description box down below. Love you dolls.